Hello everyone, welcome to Brooks and Hooks Fishing. We're at Cowan Lake and about I'm going to say south middle Ohio. We're going to do a little crappie fishing today. We'll catch a few, enough for our dinner. And we're going to bass fish, maybe throw some things to see if we can catch some saugeye. What we're going to be using today, we'll start out with just your basic bobber, hook, little weight, a couple feet deep, with a crappie with minnows. For the saugeye and the bass, I'm going to be throwing a jerk bait, then one of my favorites, I'm going to be throwing the Rage trailer. It's a crawl, it's orange and little green, 1/4 ounce weight, a couple bobble stoppers. That's one of my favorites. Caught a lot of bass last week on that. Caught about 25 bass out of a pond on that. Big ones too. Nothing else works, and we're going to break down to two different things. We're going to use a spinnerbait with a minnow imitation on the back. It's green and white, chartreuse and white, silver blades. Last but not least, one of my favorites, chatterbait, white, little minnow imitation on the back, silver blade. Oh, I got that net all messed up there.
I ain't seen him yet.
I'm gonna mess around here and lose him. Oh crap! Look at that!
I'm like, that's not a bass.
It's not a bass. It's too big to be a bass. Turn that camera toward me. Oh. There, please. 5 pounds. Daggone it. I got one in my hand here.
Get the one out of your hand first.
What? Then I got another one in there. Oh crap. Oh, we gotta get out. Look at that starfish. Look at that bad baby. Oh my goodness.
Whoop. Let me get the whole fish. He's too big, you're leaning forward too much.
Got it? Well, how many you gonna take?
Yeah, that's great.
Look at that bad baby. Jerk bait.
It worked,
buddy. All right. Camera's a little bit late, but we got it. I hope. So you gonna change?
Jerk bait it is.
Oh, I wish them guys would have been there.
Oh yeah. Like, you guys think you caught a bass?
Yeah, that wasn't a bass. That was a bluegill. Oh my gosh.
I didn't think he was a bass when I saw him.
Ain't no bass. You thought it was too big, huh?
Yeah.
I told you, they come down here every year.
Every time you're down here, you catch a big fish. Catch a big bass. Not a log.
Oh gosh. Saugeye, we're into him. Dinner.
You need a net?
Dinner. No.
Okay.
Back out. You like that, huh? Oh, look at that. I wrote that one.
Pretty.
Grab it by the lip there and I'll take a picture of it.
What do you do with those?
We're going to eat them. I'm eating that sucker. If we catch enough, I'll give you one.
Let me try to keep them alive.
Wait now.
Did you say grab them by the lip?
No, don't you dare. I'm
I don't
joking.
think. I saw his mouth.
He got a ton of teeth.
What do you do with them? How do you get them in here?
Huh? Oh, just grab them around the back. I'm trying to get the boat up here. Yeah, we gotta be careful with them because they'll eat you alive.
Yeah, I'm not.
That and the hook bow. Just like that. You want to push the fins down,
Okay.
and that's good eating right there. You think them crappie were good?
Ain't seen nothing yet.
You haven't seen nothing yet. Video. Now, I already did an introductory comment.
It's over half full. You saying you want me? I'll turn it
No,
off.
let it fill all the way up.
Okay.
Now, this is what you do on these big ones. Once you get into them, if there's a whole mess of females, you got to get in the exact same spot. I'm gonna move so you can get in there because I didn't cast in the right spot. And you just gotta be patient. You're not in the right spot, are you hogging the camera? I'm joking. What you got? You got that big walleye on there?
I got a pretty good one on there.
Have you got a weight?
I don't know what's going on.
Oh shoot! Look at that! Daggone it! I don't know what that is. That ain't no daggone crappie.
You want the
Sitting
net?
there watching you.
Do you want the net?
That's a crappie. He's a big
Do
one.
you want the net?
Well, let's see what he. Oh, yeah, the saw guy. Get the net.
Okay.
The line is too light. He'll break it. I'll try to lift. You believe that?
You're like, that's not. You just gotta grab them by like its gills.
Yeah, I'm trying not to get them fins stuck in your hand.
It looks like all of them are spiky as hell.
They are. Okay.
You're
I
sitting
need you
there.
to open his mouth for me. No, I'm joking.
You're sitting there saying, "Oh, I'm in a bad spot. Oh, you're in the way. Oh, this isn't gonna work." Well, Melanie's gonna be happy now.
Yeah, she's got dinner now. Go ahead.
No, I'm just trying to get the
Here,
boat
let
not
me,
to completely drift into the.
Yeah, baby. I'm talking to the camera.
All your friends.
Turn on my
There's definitely fish in this lake.
Just got to find him.
Got one already?
Yeah, it's a little one. That spot right there. Well, we got 3 or 4 out of that. You missed one out of it, right?
Yep. Right before the fish over there.
It might be right up on the bank. There, Cowan. Look at that.
Well, your minnow's staying dry. Oh, no.
When I go in and get, are you hung? What? How? What? You're gonna have to quit sky casting.
Oh, damn it. I like this one.
And we'll get it. Here, you get that. And I don't like that weight. Wait, is that a? Oh yeah, that's a good weight. Ain't nothing wrong with that whole outfit. Did you bring a ladder?
No, did you?
No, we're going to.
Now I'm just in one tree, not in 2 trees.
Well, if there's any crappie up here, we just destroyed them too.
Man.
You get out?
No, I don't know how I'm gonna get it out.
Don't break it. No, we'll get it. Just don't break it until we get there. I'm on the log right now.
I ain't gonna break it.
I'm trying to get over here to this creature bait. That is a good creature bait.
What were they trying to catch with it?
A tree. I don't think they was trying. I think they did it.
Mission accomplished.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's a good one. Okay, let's go get yours.
Mine's up a little higher.
We probably shouldn't go fishing over here anymore after today. Because that's all we do when we come over here, you know that?
Yeah, that really is all that we do over here.
We get hung up.
Dude, that thing's crazy.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah. It's a.
You got a weight on it?
You can have that sucker. Put that in your box.
I just don't know how we're gonna get this.
Oh, we're gonna get it. Don't panic.
Start panicking. I was trying to not get hung up as much.
Yeah. I don't think it's working.
I just hope it's not wrapped around.
Oh yeah. It's a mess.
Everything's a mess.
I gotta get me something to drink here.
This is all we do over here.
Hey, I don't care what goes on the rest of the day. I've had a good day.
Well, yeah, you started out, you set the bar kind of high there, Terry.
I wore my shirt too, man. I hope that picture come out good on that bass in my shirt.
Whining and whining and whining. I've been here 30 minutes and ain't caught nothing, Robert.
You've been here more than 30
First
minutes.
thing you do,
Been here an hour.
pull down a 5-pounder. What's your idea?
Trying something loose. Wow.
Huh?
If we get it down far enough, we got the net stuff, we grab a hold of it. To pull the limb,
Yeah.
you know this net here? If you get it down far enough without breaking it, go easy. I can't look up like that, that hurts me. You didn't break it, did you? Dang gun, you Rob?
Ain't no else to do?
Where's it at?
Right there. I was hoping it came off too.
Where's it at?
Right there. I can see it.
Oh, I see it.
Get me some patience. I don't want to slow down on your fishing time.
I've already done
Got your 5
more
pounder.
than I wanted to do, more than I thought I'd do today, so. Gosh, doggone it. Let me get him.
Is that a fish? You catch it when you're not trying.
It's a strike. That's a white bass.
Always wanted to catch those.
I've caught. That's 4 different species I've caught today.
You caught more fish when you're not trying.
I'm gonna take my hat off here. I'm burning up.
Take a little break and then try to get that out of the tree.
Here we go a second here. Alright, go ahead. We got it.
Man,
You have to explain later how you do this.
see how close that was.
Oh gosh.
I think I'm helping, really.
You wind it so it comes out when you throw it.
I'd have brought a pistol, I would have shot it at it.
I don't know why you wound it up
About
like
to give
that.
up. Just get me over in the same position and I'll cast right into it.
You pull it down with the next one.
Yeah.
You see it?
Just unwind correctly and you'll be there.
Oh, wrong limb, but you're up there. You pull the whole tree down, be all right, huh? Reckon that scares a fish?
Is this not just a catch for me?
Come on. That's pretty good there. Okay, let me try a couple more times and we'll go from there. And we're just going to give up on it.
Huh?
I could cast and get it, but I don't know. I ain't got nothing I want to lose.
How about a creature bait?
Yeah, we could use that guy's creature bait, couldn't we? I didn't think about that. Now, where's it at? Oh, there. Oh, you must have hit it or something because it was hanging earlier.
Yeah, I shook it. Easy does it.
Oh, I had it. I had it.
Easy does it. Don't
Okay.
don't lose that damn.
Right. I used to be in tree service business.
Did
I
you?
used to do this crap all the time.
Last thing you want to do is
Then we do this. If you got it down far enough.
Yeah.
That them's in the way right there.
Yeah.
Wrap it around it. That ain't thunder, is it?
no. You got anything long enough?
I don't know, you can try it. I'm trying to get to where
You alright there?
yeah. It come down.
Yeah. Back. Well, my knot didn't break.
Hey. Lesson number 1. Never give up.
Never give up. Never give up. Never surrender.
The only time that you should surrender is when you're dead.
Tim Allen. Space. What was that damn
Oh, see,
movie?
we managed, didn't we?
Yeah.
That gun, that was fun.
I just hate that I wasted all your fishing, wasted all your fishing time, and all we've done is
Hey
got
everybody,
hung up.
I'm back home. I hope you enjoyed the fishing video that I showed today. And we had a great time. We caught about 5 bass, caught some saugeye, about 20 crappie. But we didn't get it all on film. My battery went dead. But we had a great day. I hope you enjoyed what we showed. And subscribe below and have a great day on the water. Thank you.